众朋友们，晚上好，欢迎收看最新一期的子天访谈录 SD Talk Show， 我是子天 Sibel。Welcome to SD Talk Show. Hi, beautiful.
Hi, how are you, Sky?
Very happy to see you here.
Thank you for the invitation. I'm very thankful to you for your support.
Thank you. Please introduce yourself to our audience.
Of course, my name is Sibel Ferrer. I'm one of the owners of the Ferrer Academy, a medical esthetician academy. We are certified. Anybody who want to join the beauty and aesthetic side and the medical, like Botox, fillers, from somebody such as you have a GED all the way to doctors. So that's me. I've been in the industry for 14 years. I started in the medical spa and now switching to the school, the training academy.
Ah, that's wonderful. May I call you Beauty Queen?
Sure, you can call me whatever you want.
Yeah, thank you. So, I know Beauty Queen is an expert for beauty industry. So I want to talk about more to introduce you to our audience about yourself more. I think your company has two different visions. One is medical school, academy. Another one, you have a Texas Art Therapy store, right?
Yeah, we have the Master Medical Esthetician Academy. And we used to have a Texas Art Therapy, but actually this year we growing more as a medical spa, and we offer more service, not only youth therapy.
Okay.
But I'm the queen of youth therapy because I love food therapy. I've been doing for more than 12 years. I know that advisor better than my hands. So.
Yes. Can you introduce about more what is art therapy? I know a lot of the Asian audience, Chinese audience already know, yes. But they want to know more official knowledge from you, the expert.
Of course. Youth therapy is the only medical advisor is doing facelift, non-surgical facelift. It's an ultrasound, and it passed already 5 times FDA, and is the only medical advisor in the market legally being used for this purpose. It's ultrasound and lift and tight muscles all the way from the muscle without in the skin final lines. So it's no invasive. We've been created the technique, Ferrer technique, such as minimal pain. By the way, we are doing the medical trial for the technique this coming February 3rd. We're actually looking for patients. They want to join the medical trial. We have only 10 space available, and it's only, I think it's only 3 less so far. But youth therapy, all the Asian, that's number one, or number one market, is because you believe in beauty. Like me. I'm very proud to say I'm 53 years old and I don't use Botox fillers, only use therapy because it's keeping my face tight and live, and
collagen.
No lines, and the collagen is active. So it's a beautiful, smooth, and very elegant way to aging. So that's why I'm so fascinated with this service.
Thank you. You just mentioned about the medical trial. So for this one, the audience want to know how to qualify. So what kind of people you are looking for?
But the even better about youth therapy is no aging. You can start from 18 all the way to 80s. It depends. Everybody have their different genes. But Asian, you're blessed. You aging amazing. And the reason is the way you eat and the way you taking care, especially your face. And this is no discrimination for age or skin type. From skin type 1 all the way to 5, we can do a new therapy because it's working more inside the outside first.
Okay.
It's an ultrasound is the only way you can see organs, babies, and the abdomen.
Yeah.
So it's safe.
Yeah.
And the traditional way to doing therapy was very painful. Very painful. From 1 to 10 is easy. People used to set 7, 8, even 9. But with the old technique that we patent, it's a minimal pain. From 10, there's no way we'll get in there. It's from 1 to 3. That's
okay, 1 to 3.
very, very low pain. And it's very easy to handle it. And you see results the same day. And the other reason we like a lot our technique is because we're draining lymphatic system. That's why you get a puffy eyes, because you lymphatic system to try is to get a really blocked for the muscles falling.
Okay.
So with the therapy, we're able to lift those muscles and draining the lymphatic system. So the same day you look already fresh. And it's improving from 6 months.
Wow, excellent. Thank you for the introduce. So you just talk about, you're not just service for therapy, you also have other service, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Can you talk about that more?
Sure. We do Botox, fillers, and PRP, hair restoration, PRP facial. We do plasma fibroblast. We do, I don't know what allowed to this. It's a smooth Termiva. I don't know how to say it on camera, but this is something that's benefited women a lot too.
Yeah. Hormone.
Termiva. Termiva is a radio frequency to tie the intimate area from women after babies, delivery babies, or aging. Sometimes women, we can have some difficulty for retention, and tie the muscles, not only in the face, in other areas. So that treatment is specific for that. And microneedling, that's pretty much the more popular treatment we do. We do more that we do in the derma. The derma we're using for smooth the body, basically stretch marks, and tight the skin and the abdomen, arms, and the knees. So that's the more popular ones.
Wow, you have everything.
3 years, we can get more. We can offer more treatment, but we only offer what we really believe it works, and keeping our patients and clients happy. That is the intention, helping to you look better, but delivery is something that really works.
Wow, thank you. My personally really interested about the medical academy. Yes, can you talk about that? And you how to start your career about,
Training. Well, again, being the market and having my own business for 14 years, through the time I've become an expertise and a master and a senior to do all this service. So everything I just told you about it, the youth therapy, we certified the youth therapy, Botox, fillers, PRP, IV therapy. We even inject, certified to how to inject like a B12 or peptides like semaglutide shots. So we basically prepare any esthetician is in the aesthetic side already, like doing facials, massage, to be more in the medical side.
Okay.
So I start that way. When I start my own medical, we start with a spa. I was just doing regular facials and body contour, and slowly I started growing, and I get a doctor medical director on my side, and I start with the youth therapy to be able to actually deliver the ultrasound, facelift. In the derma, you have to have a medical director on the side. So I start with the youth therapy when soon I meet a treatment, the devicer, I said I need to learn it, and I need to do it myself. I love it, and that's when I start the medical. And I start to growing, adding Botox, fillers. We teaching how to drop the blood, how to get an IV, how to mix in the vitamins the body needs. For everybody particular is different. We teaching the skin type from HIPAA, OSHA, anatomy, everything, anybody from a GD to a nurse, they want to jump into this beauty adventure, we prepare them. From the law all the way to the patient is out in their office, and they'll be safe, and both sides.
Wow. So I heard about many customer patients follow you more than 10 years, right?
Yeah, I originally started in Austin, and I moved to Houston in 2015. And so 8 years ago, I still have one of my blessing customers that coming from Austin.
Ah, wow.
And because they want to get the service done, and they don't trust anybody else, so they still driving. We have a patient still also coming from Istanbul, from California from Florida, and they love what I do and how I do it, and that's why I start teaching. Have this business, try to hiding somebody that's already certified or to doing the right things. I found out every time I interview somebody is missing something to be in the medical spa. So I start teaching my own employees. Even they have already the license, esthetician license, or nurses. They come into working with me. They don't have the correct training, what I was expecting, so they can fit perfectly in the medical esthetician field. So I started teaching my own employed, and then I said, you know what, I really like this. I like people to be ready for the beauty industry. It's amazing, it's beautiful, it's very big. It's a lot of immigrants.
Yeah.
They might be doctors in their own country, nurses, and they cannot work here. Or just a person who have ambition and they want to grow in this country. And so no matter where you're coming from, we try to help. Right now we're teaching in Spanish, English, and we're starting the Chinese and the Arabic. So we try to help in every immigrant is coming. I'm an immigrant. I'm from Venezuela, and Venezuela is a beauty industry. I mean, we love beauty, like you country, you continent.
Yeah.
Your continent is very passionate about beauty. So same thing as in Venezuela, and why not?
Yeah.
I have opportunity in this country. Somebody help me. Why not passing? Why not helping others? They coming to here with a dream, with illusion, with looking for better opportunity. So that's I really enjoy to do.
Wow. Thank you so much. I admire you. Yeah. So I think audience really want to go to try your service. And can you share the company location?
Yeah, we have a new location. I love it. I'm fascinated. It's beautiful. It's 2425 West Loop South. That's the Galleria area. Basically next to the Hotel Derrick. We are there is very comfortable, beautiful. I think you have to feel beautiful when you will get your service done, because I think beauty is energy.
Yeah.
And we have to connect it with our own energy inside to we can helping you to bring it out.
Yeah, thank you so much. So may I ask last question? What's your challenge for your career?
Helping everybody I can. Helping all women's or men's and this industry to they can grow in this country. It's amazing opportunity here. If I can give you a hand, that's my dream, helping others. I know it's very difficult to be immigrant and try to be success and helping your family, either here or who you living in the back at home. So that's my challenge and my dream, and that's what I like to do.
Thank you so much. Thank you, share audience your story today. And I think next month you can bring your team, come to my show to share more experience. Yeah, you have to help everybody in this country.
Thank you.
Not just this country.
Anywhere I can.
The world.
Maybe you take me to China, and I will help you there. I'm already an immigrant. Why not? It's
Let's
a new challenger.
China, Korea, Japan, many.
Anywhere. I mean, that's my passion. Thank you. Thank you, Sky. So much.
Thank you, Beauty Queen. Thank you.
Thank you.
I see you next month.
I'll see you next month.
这就是今天的子天访谈录。I see you next week.